Hello there, you're welcome to this tutorial. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do, let's just set the size correctly. Now what we're going to do is going to be printed on either A4 or A5, preferably A5. So the size I'm setting is for either of the two, A4 or A5. This can go for it, right? So now one of the things that make your design very fast is if you have a very fitting background that you can use. So this, I got this from Pinterest, so you could check it out, and also follow me on Pinterest as well. So it's just as simple as that. Everything has been blended already, so we don't need to do very much. All right, so the next thing, let me just lock it. So after that, you just to add your text, and that's just it. We'll make sure that the image is of a very high quality. If your image is not, the quality is not very high, and then if you're going to print it out, make sure you have the license. Or if you're going to share it online, you understand. Okay, don't just take somebody's image and then you just begin to use it without person's permission or something. Or you could generate them so that you have the, I think the rights is going to be reserved. All right, if you generate them. Okay, that's with AI. So if you want to learn all of this, you can check out some of my videos I make, okay, on stuff like this, how to generate images, how to create backgrounds and all that. So I made a lot of videos that you could check out as well. I don't like this font, so we're going to use another one. It's looking somehow for me, so I'll still the title itself. I need to change the title because it's really not given, you understand. You can see the font numbers are not really coming out there, so we have to change this font actually. Okay, so let's think of a title: 12 keys to marital bliss, or is that secrets to marital bliss, something. Okay, all right. All right, so now secrets to marital bliss, this is what we are going to use as our title. All right, so basically just get this done and then get the description. All right, the description of the title, get it there, put the name of the author, and basically that's it. So I'm going to show you the video on how to do this mockup is already up, so I'm going to link it to this video. Yeah, I love this font. Check out the font, and if you don't know how to install fonts, just check out our tutorials here. I'm going to link it as well to this video. All right, so okay, so have a good time watching, because there's nothing really very serious here again. Apart from the fact that you just need to add description. I'll just put the shape there, add description, and then add the author. I'm going to put myself as the author. All right, I've not written a book like this. I'm not married yet, so so I'm not sure I have the license to write a book like this, but I'm going to get married, right? So when the time comes, I can, from experience, write books like this. But I can counsel maybe married people though. Or, when you have experience, it's quite deeper. You understand? So all right, so it's just to give a little tweak to it, or just leave it like that simply. All right, so once you're done, you write the description, understanding, whatever, put the author, and you're good to go. All right, check out for the part 2 of this, which is how you get the back design done. And then the last one, which I have loaded first, is actually the mock-up of this book. Okay, so I'm going to link all the videos together, so make sure you check the description of the video. Make sure you check the channel to watch other videos as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel, and share to other people as well. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye bye.